Hey Melissa, this is to show you how to search for those novel sets. So if you go to the Bullard website, so this is the home page, and then if you go to future resources, and then click on novel sets, this will take you to the old database, which will take you to actually the old Bullard High School library website. You're going to log in just with your school email. Then you're going to go to catalog, and instead of library search, you're going to do a resource search, because those basically anything purchased by the district for us is under resources. So those novel sets are the same as, considered the same thing as like a laptop. So if I put in To Kill a Mockingbird, I am searching just in Bullard High School. I can search all of Fresno Unified, but obviously for this case, we just want to do Bullard High School. And then we're going to search, and then you can see how many we have. So they're actually under two different categories. We have quite a few of them. So that should help you out quite a bit. So again, the library site, teacher resources, I clicked on that. Clicked on novel sets to get to the old database. And then once you get to the search, make sure you're doing a resource search. Okay, I hope that helps.